All right, welcome to lesson number 2 of similarities. Last time we learned about similarities. Today we're going to be learning about properties of similarities in triangles. So there's 3 examples today and 3 tries. There are 2 theorems I want to teach you, so here we go. Properties of similar triangles. Okay guys, the first theorem we're going to learn about is the side splitter theorem, or also known as the triangle proportionality theorem. And it states that if a line is parallel to one side of the triangle and splits the sides, then it's proportional. So here, take a look at what it means. We have a triangle here, and we have a line there that is parallel. Then what it does is it creates 2 triangles, which makes it similar. So we can say AE is similar to AF. EC is similar to FB. Angle 1 is congruent to angle 2, and angle 3 is congruent to angle 4. Again, guys, you can pause or fast forward this video anytime you want to your own pace. So here we go. What does it mean? Well, we can say this triangle, the big triangle ABC, is similar to the little triangle AFE. Okay, by AA similarity. So let's apply this to example 1. Example 1. Find the length of the unknown side. So what is the unknown side? So here's what in the last lesson we cross multiplied. Same here. So I'm going to say 13 is to 11 as, now notice, what did I do? I went from left to right, so I have to go from left to right again, as x is to 9. Now, I have to keep it consistent. I went 13 is to 11, so I have to go x is to 9. I cannot, if I go, I could have went 13 is to x. If I said 13 is to x, then I have to go 11 is to 9. So remember, always keep it the same way. If you go from left to right, make it equal to left to right. If you go from up to down, make it up to down. So whatever you do must keep it consistent. So here, let's cross multiply. That gives us 11x equals 13 times 9, which is 117. Divide by 11, cancel it out. X equals 10.6. So the missing side is equal to 10.6. Now it's your turn to try one on your own. Let's go ahead and try one on your own. Here we go. Try number 1 on your own. You may pause the video to try it, or you may fast forward if you understand it. So here, let's take a look at this. You see there's 2 triangles. What's similar? So I can say 12 is to 20 as, so if I say 12 is to 20, I went from left to right. So I go from left to right, I have to say 17 is to x. Cross multiply. You get 12x equals 20 times 17, which is 340. Divide by 12, divide by 12. Answer is 28.3. If you guys got 28.3, you did good. If not, you need to try it again. All right. Let's go ahead and make it a little more complicated. Let's go to example 2. Now I'm going to add in some extras. Okay, let's first take a look at this. Notice that there's expressions, so it looks hard. Well, it's not that hard. It takes a little bit of steps. So let's take a look. 5 is to x plus 4. Notice 5 is to x plus 4. That's left to right, so I have to go left to right again. Equals 15 is to 4x. Now this is done the same way as the last equation was done, but it takes more steps. So again, cross multiply. 5 times 4x equals 15 times x plus 4. 5 times 4x is 20x equals 15 times x plus 4. This you're going to use the distributive property. That's 15 times x and 15 times 4, which is 60. Now we have an equation, a two-step equation. So here, what do? Minus 15x from each side. Cancel it out. That gives us 5x equals 60. Now what? Divide by 5, divide by 5, x equals 12. Go ahead and try number 2 on your own. Okay, let's take a look at try number 2. You can set it up any way you want to. I'm going to set it up this way, 3x over 12. So notice I went from top to bottom, so it'll equal x plus 3 over 7. Cross multiply. 3x times 7 equals 12 times x plus 3. 21x equals 12x plus 36. Again here, I have a two-step equation. Minus 12x from both sides. 21 minus 12x is 9x. Divide by 9. And 36 divided by 9 is 4. There you go. That's the value of x. Okay, we're almost done. This is the last theorem I want to teach you. The next theorem is called the triangle angle bisector theorem. And what does it say? If a ray bisects an angle of a triangle, then it divides the opposite sides proportionally. So here, it doesn't matter what triangle it is. If an angle bisects it, then guess what? Both sides are proportional. So CA is proportional to AB, and CD is proportional to DB. And this is called the triangle angle bisector theorem. So here's the last example, example 3, where we apply it. So let's take a look at this. 30 is to x as 18 is to 12. So notice I went from left to right, left to right. Cross multiply. 18x equals 30 times 12, which is 360. Divide by 18, cancel it out. And x equals 20. Try the last one on your own, and we'll be done with our lesson. All right, here's try number 3. You can pause this and try it. 27 is to 15 as x is to 7. Cross multiply. 15x equals 27 times 7, which is 189. Divide by 15, and x equals 12.6. And there you go, folks. This is the properties of similar triangles. And that'll be it for this lesson. Make sure you guys do your homework, and here we go. See you till next time.